Graphs are visual representations that show the relationships between different variables. Many graphs you will see represent the results of an experiment. Some experiments have various trials, and this can make a graph a little confusing if we don't know what we're looking for. In most experiments, there will be a control variable. This variable will remain constant throughout the experiment, and if we can find this variable on the graph, it will make interpreting the entire graph much easier. For example, let's look at the following graph showing data from an experiment about fish reproduction. In this graph, we're shown three different groups of fish that were in tanks of different temperatures. The key tells us that the green bars represent the control group. This fish tank was the neutral tank in the experiment, which we can assume to show normal birth patterns, and can be used to compare the other tanks in the experiment. Now that we know which tank is the control tank, we can look at the warmer and colder tanks to draw conclusions about each. The graph shows us that the warmer tank had a higher number of offspring in each trial of the experiment than both the control tank and the cold water tank. We can then say that according to this data, fish will have more offspring in warmer conditions.